Yo, what's up guys? Sherpal over here, and today I'm having a peanut butter and jelly sandwich with banana slices. This was actually a recipe that I received in my comments from Grace Yang. She has been asking me to do this for a very long time, and I'm sorry I only got around to it now. But here I am as promised. I don't know if I did this right, but I did the grilled peanut butter and jelly with the banana slices, but then when I flipped it I got some jelly on top. It's not supposed to be like this, but I think it counts, right? So here's a close-up. Let's see if you can... Okay, so peanut butter, banana, and jelly in a grilled sandwich, courtesy of Grace Yang, one of my viewers. Thank you for the comment, thank you for the suggestion, thank you for the recipe. Let's get to it. So I cut my bread like this. How do you guys cut your bread? Okay. The table here is not very sturdy, so I'm having a hard time. Ooh, this is looking very good. Aha. Don't fall off now. Okay. Come on. There you go. This is gonna be messy. And that's why I have a napkin right next to me. Okay. So it looks... The jelly looks great. I don't know how I'm gonna make a thumbnail because it's all messy here. Goodness, look at that. It's all falling apart, but it does look good. Okay, so let me try to do this for a thumbnail. I want to get closer, and I hope my camera focuses. So, actually I'm gonna hide my eyes. There you go. That looks good, right guys? Look at that. Just look at that. Okay, it looks yummy. I like this angle. It's very mysterious. What do you guys think? Okay. I'm gonna pull this back a bit because it's gonna be a mess. And I don't want to make a mess. Okay guys, first bite. Let's do this. That tastes good. Guys, if you have never tried this, do try it. I don't know if you guys watched one of my first videos. I had never eaten a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, so I did it for the channel, and you can see my reaction there. But this is quite good. Listen to the crunchiness. I don't know if I'm too far from the microphone, but can you hear that? Look at that. I don't know if you can hear. This bread has a crunch through it. Let me get closer. Sure you can hear that. Wow. Thank you, Grace. It is really good. It was worth it. I hope you're enjoying the video. Guys, give me a thumbs up if you are enjoying it. Ho ho ho. It gets really messy because the jelly, the peanut butter, they're all melted. So it gets on your hands, it gets on your plate. It just falls off. Wow, this is amazing, but look at the mess. Look at my plate. This is good. The banana brings a sweetness. The peanut butter gives it a nutty flavor. The jelly gives it a jelly flavor. And the bread gives it a wheat flavor. I don't know. It's just good. It's really good. And the fact that it's grilled, it gives me that crunchiness. Oh, it's all in one. Have a bite, guys. This time I use thick bread. It didn't fall apart. This only works with thick slices, because if you use those thin bread, those thin loaves, it will just break apart. I'm thinking of a safe word here. You guys know in all my videos I have a safe word. So if you've watched it this far, I know you're a hardcore fan, you enjoy my content, and you're supporting me in every single way you can. So the safe word is PB and Nana. PB and Nana. PB and Nana. Is that too hard? PBNANA. PBNANA. PB and Nana. Or is that double N? I don't know. I'm trying to be creative with my safe words. Gonna have some water because I'm not gonna lie, this got me thirsty. This really got me thirsty. Look at that. Look, that's how the plate gets. It was clean when I put the bread on it, so you can see that everything drools off. But pretty good combination. Thank you, Grace. Not gonna say this is the healthiest sandwich, but it is delicious, delightful. It is very good. I really enjoyed it. Thank you very much. So if you guys like the water, here it is. Oh yeah, we got some bubbles. I love it when we have bubbles. Not too much though, but okay. Refreshing. Okay guys, I will see you tomorrow with another video. Tomorrow I have a challenge, so check it out. As soon as you see my videos, like it, share it, and if you're not subscribed yet, please do subscribe, okay? And I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Keep it real. Peace out. Bye-bye. I'm not gonna, because when I do that, if I touch the camera lens, it gets dirty, so bye-bye.